I heard you're now the new slave.
Yes, my princess.
And you chose to wash people's dress first before mine.
Sorry, my princess.
You decided to wash people's dress first before mine.
I said I was going to come up to you. My princess, my princess.
Very stupid. Don't you dare take it off. Don't you dare. You chose to wash people's dress before mine.
I'm going.
Now get to my room. Pack everything there, but the clean ones. Wash them before I return. And don't you dare take that off your face. Get out. Watch me. Don't you dare. Don't touch me.
What is that boy still doing in this palace?
My husband wouldn't let him go.
You know he has our secret. Then do something. Take care of that mess before it gets too late.
I'm already on it. Okay? Why can't we meet in our usual place tonight?
It's alright, my dear. I'll be waiting.
Guards! Is there anybody around? Guards! I want you to kill him.
Who, my queen?
The guard. He has become a problem for me, and I want you to eliminate him today. What do you mean by Is it that you don't want to do it, or what?
No, my queen.
So what is it?
It's just that I now have 2 people to kill in the palace today.
What do you mean by you have 2 people to kill in the palace? Who gave you the orders?
The guard and the king.
How dare you? How dare you talk about killing my husband in my presence?
My queen, that's what your daughter wants me to do, and I'm scared. My queen, please hire somebody from elsewhere to do it, please.
My daughter asked you to kill her father.
With all due respect, my queen, I can't do it. I can't.
Are you sure you can achieve it? You can make it happen?
Yes, my queen.
You must make sure he eats the food. Okay?
I will, my queen.
If you are able to achieve that, I will make you the chief maid in this palace. Do you hear me?
Really?
Yes.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you.
And it must happen tonight.
I'll get it done, my queen.
No mistakes.
Give my ring.
Take this one. I'll get it.
Thank you very much.
Diligently, I have no bad intention. This is a setup, just a family.
Go away, I don't want it. Go and drop it.
Are you sure you don't want it?
I said go away.
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance.
Ndoti! Ndoti!
My princess!
How dare you? Why is my car unwashed?
I was going to wash it.
You have the guts to leave my car unwashed. You were doing what?
Sorry, I was just taking a little break after washing the other cars and the gates and other things.
You must be very stupid. You must be very stupid.
I'm sorry, my princess. I'll wash it now.
Okay?
I'm sorry, my...
For this nonsense you did, you must receive a punishment.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Get me an iron. And be fast about it.
My princess, I can wash it now. I'm sorry.
Shut up! Next time, you will know that I come first in this house. And you will not leave whatever that is mine for last.
I'm sorry, my princess. I can wash it now.
Okay? Hurry up!
My princess, I'm sorry. My princess, I can wash it now.
So it has gotten to a point you barging into the palace without a knock. Huh? For a personality of myself, I can have this. My queen, is this the kind of guards you now have in the palace?
Sorry, it's an emergency, no.
What?
Ah!
What's the emergency?
My queen.
What nonsense emergency?
My queen, Nkubi is here. What? Nkubi. My queen, please, you must fetch the king immediately. Immediately, I mean please now. You know what it means? Nkubi. Out!
Where is it?
My king, Nkubi is gone.
Summon the castle immediately.
Yes, Your Majesty.
My queen, you sent for me, my queen.
Yes. There's something I want you to do for me right now.
Okay, anything for you, my queen. I'm at your service.
And you listen to me.
I have sent for the chief priest, and I'm sure he'll be on his way to this palace now. I was right inside, arranging something for Donu when my wife rushed in and told me that Nkubi, the ugliest of all masquerades, was here. And we all know what it means for Nkubi, the ugliest of all masquerades, to visit a household. It spells nothing but doom.
But my king, who did you offend? That is the question. We all know you to be a very peaceful king. Why this sudden challenge?
This is the most shocking news I've ever heard. We all know that Nkubi only visits a household that evil is about to behold. And why this happen now? I pray nothing brings tears to your eyes, my king.
I am sure Ebelebe will have a solution to this problem. I am sure he will have a way for this palace to get over whatever problem that is about befalling it. Unscattered.
I can't wait to see how this ends for the evil one in this palace.
Onochie, are you saying we have evil people in this palace?
Then how do we explain the visit of Nkubi? It only shows that evil is incubating in this palace. But I know that our king's hands are clean, I am certain.
Well, let us wait for the arrival of the chief priest. Meanwhile, I want to thank you all for the confidence you repose in me and for reassuring me that I have been on the right path. I believe the gods will see me through. I'm scared.
Why are you scared? Or have you committed any abomination? No. So you don't have any reason to be scared. Nkubi might have missed his way and walked into the wrong compound.
No, Nkubi is not the masquerade that would miss his way. A masquerade that comes out rarely like Nkubi must have a reason for being here.
just hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
There's a Moise here.
The truth that has been concealed in this palace is about to be unearthed by the gods.
What truth are you talking about, Ezemo? I have nothing to hide.
Let us allow the gods to do their wish, because only the gods knows the heart of man.
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the palace. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. What do you want to achieve with this evil? No one to trust, no one to rely. Everybody is a suspect. If any man if any man you are fighting with the gods. Danger in the palace. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect.
Ndode,
My prince.
please come. My prince. What's going on? Why is everywhere deserted? Ezemo is here. Ezemo. What happened? Nkubi came. Nkubi was here.
What did he say? Ifeanyi.
My princess.
I don't know what he's talking about. The truth is talking about that the gods are about to reveal. I don't know. But if any of you is hiding anything, please, this is the time to say it.
Father, I'm hiding nothing. I don't have any secret or anything I'm hiding. Honestly,
Same here. But Father, are you sure the gods know what they're saying?
The gods can never say anything that they're not sure of. Honey, I don't have anything to hide. Maybe what the gods are trying to say is that someone in this palace is hiding something. It could be anyone in this palace.
You're right. You're right. And I've been racking my brain to find out who might be keeping a secret amongst us. I appeal to the person to please let it out now. We are family. We should be able to forgive each other. At all times, we should be able to forgive each other. Let the person let it out now.
Well, Father, none of us is hiding anything. Mother is definitely right. Maybe one of those palace guards or maidens. I don't truly trust any of them.
Sure.
Are you sure you're not hiding anything?
What do you want to achieve with this evil trust? No one to rely on. Hey. Everybody is a suspect. If any man if any man you are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. The balance is in a mess. Nobody is safe.
Who is your love? Look, I've warned you to stop calling me that name. I don't want you to put me in trouble in this palace.
Stop, Joe. Why you do like a Jew man? Stop all these things. You know I care so much about you. I care so much about you, and that's why I'm willing to forfeit everything just to be with you. If you can just tell me, I love you.
You are crazy. What is it you want to do? Listen, don't try any rubbish with me. I'll deal with you.
Stop this thing, Joe. Stop it. See, I care about you. I like you and I want you. What's it now? Give me a chance in your life. See, I'm the chief maid here. Yes, now. I'll make your life so palatable in this palace. Anything you want to eat, you will eat. I gave others fish. I give you chicken. If you want to, I'll give you. Don't be a Jew, man. Am I not fine, you know?
You must be a fool to think I'll have anything to do with someone as desperate as you.
Ndudi, what is it, Seth? What is your problem? I said I like you. I want you. Is that too much to ask for?
You are mad.
See, last chance, Ndudi. Last chance, so. Last chance. Give me a chance in your life now that I'm asking you.
I said you are mad. Now get out of this place.
Me mad? Ego Igbo mad?
Yes.
Hey, me mad?
My queen, is everything all right?
Everything is all right, my king.
You don't look it. You look worried. Is it because of?
I have nothing to hide, my lord.
I didn't say you have anything to hide.
Just that I'm worried. I'm worried about the visit of that masquerade. Because everyone is talking about the palace now. I'm so worried.
Don't worry. I will show you madness today. No better for yourself. You do anything.
What is she doing?
You do question for now. You do not ask questions.
What's the meaning of this, Ego Igbo?
You will see. You will Anya.
Why are you there? What are you doing?
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Are you mad? Don't leave me alone!
What is the noise? What is the noise about?
It's from outside.
They tried to rape me.
What? How dare you? So, after trying to rape her, you still want to slap her? I didn't do anything! The king box, hear about this! I did not do it!
Rape?
I did not do it! Don't you believe me? Can you not tell me the truth? I said I was sitting here. Shut up! Don't you believe me? I was just...
See my clothes! Jesus. See my clothes! Daddy has me, please!
What's going on here?
My king! He tried to rape me!
What? My king is a liar. Don't listen to her. I didn't touch her at all. She's framing me up. Why are you lying against me?
No. Let me get something clear here. You mean Ndodi here tried raping you?
Yes, my king. He almost succeeded. He has been trying to rape me all this way. I screamed as if some people came to help me. He's been asking me to come to his room. I said no. Today I came to bring his food. He not tried to rape me, my king.
I go, why are you lying against me now? You know.
Shut up! Are you mad? Shut up.
My queen, I did not.
I said shut. Guards! Get! Pick this thing. Lock him up. Tie him up.
My queen, I did not do what he's... I did not do what he's accusing me of. Believe me, my king, I did not do it.
You pay for it.
Okay, I did not do it.
Take him out. It's okay. It's okay, my dear. It's okay. It's okay. I'll deal with it.
Only the heavens know the truth.
Sorry.
Only the heavens know the truth. We are only mortals in this world.
No!
What is it?
I still don't understand this sudden movement out of the kingdom. Eh? Is the king aware of this?
I have already told him he's aware. I am not going to stay too long. You see, I'm only going to attend to an urgent business outside the kingdom. That is all.
Okay, so how do you expect the children and I to manage now? Eh? You know,
woman, find a way to manage. Don't disturb me.
But we barely have any food.
Find a way to manage. Don't disturb me. Find a way to manage or allow the children to die of hunger. I don't care.
I can't believe this. I trusted this boy so much. Why? What is it that he is looking for in a woman other than concentrating on what brought him here?
I never trusted that boy. I knew that something wasn't right about him, about favorite, and even made him the head of guards. So now you have seen how he disappointed you, right?
Father, honestly, I don't believe Ndudi would do such a thing. I still find it difficult to believe that he would stoop so low to perform such disgusting acts. I don't think it's true.
Fine, there is nothing condescending here. He is a young man with something in between his legs. What do you expect?
And that thing in between his legs is what I'm going to cut off for defiling this palace. Ifeanyi.
No, Mom, you got it wrong. Just look at it this way. He did not defile the girl. He almost did. He has not committed any abomination yet.
Why do you always sound so unintelligent whenever you speak?
Really?
The young man defiled this palace and should be punished.
Madam Luo, he has not defiled the palace. He almost performed the acts. He did not rape her. And let me warn you, right here, right now, this would be the very last time I am going to have you insult me.
Keep your tiny finger down. You're so daft and blind that you can't even see it when he's staring at your face.
Enough of that, Nonye. You don't talk to your brother in that manner. He is the crown prince of this land. Can't you remember?
Apologies, my father.
Better. Now, at least we can now figure out all this that are happening in this palace. Now we know why Nkubi visited this household. At least the whole secret is being revealed.
When I told you that what they said had nothing to do with us, that it could be someone in this palace, you didn't understand, but now you understand it all. He's actually your trustee.
Please! I didn't do it, please!
I still find it so difficult to believe that they tried raping Ego.
Is he not a man? Is he not a man? But just that I feel a little bit disappointed that you could have at least asked Ego for a relationship first.
Amara, why are you talking as if you're no longer in this palace? Eh? Ego countlessly made advances at him and he rejected her. So I know all this drama, she's just trying to get revenge.
What if what he wants from Ego is just sex, no relationship? I beg, I know what guys like him are capable of.
Amara, to me, they don't appear to rapist.
Oh, the Ego. Yes. They write them for face. Eh? If Ego says he made an attempt to rape her, I believe her. Yes, after all, guys like him, rapists like him, normally appears innocent.
Nonya, I want you to listen to me. I'm going to talk to you as an elder brother. I want you to listen to me and listen very attentively. You have to stop talking to me in a way that is very insultive in the presence of our parents. And I want to remind you that I am the prince. And I will remain the prince of this kingdom. It's my birthright.
A senseless prince. Ifeanyi, that is what you are.
Really? Okay. Since you want to play this game, I'm going to help you. As soon as I walk out of this room, I'm going downstairs, straight to Father. I'm going to sit him down comfortably. And I will illustrate and give him with examples and proofs of how you have been hosting parties in every nooks and crown of the city, and how you have been squandering his hard-earned money all in the name of the princess. And I am going to make sure that I remind him that the very next time you insult me again, I will personally perforate this your butt with my needle, because that is what is
Shut up! Ifeanyi, shut it! You talk too much, I hate you! You talk and speak like a useless man, because that is exactly what you are.
Don't force me to say.
It's okay! Go ahead and rant. Go and tell them that. And I will proudly tell Father about the girl that you got pregnant. Look at your face. How did you, oh, you thought I wasn't gonna know. You thought I wouldn't find out. Her name is Stephanie. And you got her pregnant. So go ahead and tell Dad about me. And I will tell them about your little secret. Remember, it's a taboo for your crown prince to have a child out of wedlock. You remember? Are you lost, baby prince?
That's so bad. Ah, you're sweating. Okay. Oh my God. I don't worry, don't speak again. You are exhausted. Don't worry, go, just... Will you come back here? Come back! I thought you wanted to report me! Idiot! Writing like a woman! Baby prince!
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the parlor. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect.
My queen.
What is that your name?
Ndodi, my queen. My queen, honestly, I did not do what I'm accused of. I did not do it. I'm innocent.
Oh, come on, keep quiet. What did you see when you walked in on no one eye?
My queen, I'd rather not say.
You were planning to tell my husband, the king, isn't it?
Not if you decide to tell him yourself, my queen.
How dare you threaten me? You rapist.
My queen, I'm not a rapist. You know I cannot do a thing like that. I'm being framed up. I didn't do it.
And you will not tell anyone, whatever it is that you saw between Onowu and I. You will not tell any living soul. Do you hear me?
My queen, as long as you promise to tell the king yourself, no soul will hear about this.
Do you know I can kill you? Do you?
My queen, you know the right thing to do.
So you have the guts to talk.
I feel terrible for what you did to him. He's our friend, you know. He's your friend, not my friend. And he deserves the pain and more.
I am on my way out of the kingdom. He has told him, my queen, you can't be there waiting for the boy to spill out what he saw. Huh? You better be on the move. Should I wait for you? What? What did you say? I should turn back? That sounds crazy. You know what the king will do if he finds out?
Ego, I know what you're doing out there.
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to myself. I know Ndudi never raped you. This is you punishing him for rejecting you.
Are you out of your mind? Is something wrong with you? You won't say what you know, Abby. You won't say what you know now. Is it because you are not the one he tried raping? No, tell me, is it?
Ego, you are evil. I know what you did out there. Ndudi is never a rapist. You just chose to destroy that innocent young man. Now tell me, are you not happy that he's been punished? Are you?
Well, you're very stupid. You're very useless. And for insulting me, I'll report you to the queen. I can see you no longer know who is your senior in this palace, Abby. You don't know. You don't know, Abby? You must be out of your mind. Something is wrong with you.
That boy is leaving this palace and that's fine now.
I've told you how his late father handed him over to me before his demise. I cannot send him away. Rather, I will demote him to another guard.
If you don't send that boy away from this palace, there will be no peace in this house.
What is wrong with you? Are you threatening me?
I am not threatening you, but I'm stating the obvious. That rapist cannot be in this palace when I have maidens and my daughter in this same palace. That will not happen. I'm just being sensitive as a mother. That boy must leave this palace, and that is final for me.
I have punished him enough for what he did. Let me give him another chance to see if he can redeem himself. Oh yes. I cannot send him away. If I send him away, he has no place to go to. He has no family to return to. I know what he did is wrong. But let us not give up entirely on him. Let's give him another chance. And I expect you to respect that.
You're back. What happened?
The business has been cancelled.
Hey, thank God.
All thanks to you.
Habanani. You know I will not have wished for your business to be cancelled. But you won't starve my children and I.
Your spirit brought me back home. I know that is what you want. A little business that would have fetched us a lot of money, and you ruined it. See, stay clear from me in this house. Stay clear.
Let me help you.
Mpiage. Now, why
My mother put you up to this, right?
Are you talking to me, my princess? I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you first asked.
I said, my mother put you up to this act. This act of forcefully accusing the god. Isn't it?
My princess, I don't know what to say.
Say nothing. It is all clear. I just wanted to confirm my doubt.
My princess, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have hidden it away from you.
When exactly are you going to kill my father?
My princess, I thought you were joking the first time you said it.
I give you 3 days. 3 days to give me my father's head, else I will make your life a living hell.
No one is an angel. No one is holier than God.
My friend.
Everybody has...
Ndode, you are a free man.
Zubelu, what happened?
Ndode, the king ordered for your immediate release. Listen. Yeah. Listen. Ndudi, I'm sorry for joining force with the king to punish you. I mean, I should have trusted you enough to believe you.
No, it's not your
I'm
fault.
sorry about
You were only following orders.
Ndudi. Listen. Ndudi, I know you did not do it. It's only God that will punish that useless and desperate girl that called herself Ego.
Thank you.
Ndudi, my friend, the king wants to see you.
Now?
Yes.
Okay. Please.
Hide like a lies at all. It wanders around proudly.
I made a promise to your father that I will take good care of you. I promised him that I will raise you like my own son, in love and in discipline. And that is why my heart is broken hearing what you just did.
My king, I did not do it.
Will you shut up?
Shut up, the king is talking. I'm sorry. Better.
Sacking you is the most appropriate thing to do. But because of my promise to your father, I will not do it. I will only demote you to the palace slave. You have to do all the chores in this palace without complaint or grumbling.
Thank you, my king. Thank you for sparing my life.
Look at that.
Thank you, my king. Dad, a palace slave?
Yes. Do you think I love demoting him? No. But that is the only appropriate thing to do at this point.
Dad, let's call a spade a spade. Dad, there is no witness to this rape. Nobody has come to witness to say, I was there, I saw him, or this or that. I trust him today. That I am sure that that young man did not do this. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes now. You can tell. He's innocent.
Son, just leave it at this for now. Humans are erratic and unpredictable, like the weather. You cannot trust them. They cannot be trusted at all. That is human being for you.
That guard got me and the no.
Wow. Now I know what the problem is. And then you forced the chief maid to your obedience.
No, I didn't do that. I just gave her my word. Because she said that she is interested in the guard. And I promised her that I will make sure that both of them end up together.
Mother, you know that's never gonna happen. The guard made it clear that he's not interested in her.
That's none of my business. It's not my problem. The only problem I have right now is that your father has refused to throw that thing out of this palace. Which simply means that one day he will open his mouth to talk about me and the no. That is my problem.
Mom, I've told you. I've told you to stop whatever you're doing with that man. Not in this palace, at least. I warned you. You're risking being caught.
Sweetheart, what is important to me now is that I want that boy thrown out of this palace. Can you help me?
Only the heavens knows the truth.
Forgive me, please.
See, it was the queen that lured me into this thing. Don't come. I didn't mean to hurt you or have you humiliated in the palace. Because, Ziano, please forgive me. You know I love you so much. Ndo. You know I can do anything to be with you. Eh? See, I was just so desperate to get the queen's support to my claim. That was why it happened like that. Just give me another chance in your life. Eh? Because Ziano, what can you bear? Let me help you. Dodo, please now. Please now. I love you. Do, baby.
I'm only doing my job.
My prince. Didi, how are you? I'm fine, my prince. Are you sure? Yes. Well, Didi, honestly, I am not happy about my father's judgment. Demoting you to a palace slave, I felt so bad when I heard it. Yes, I know you didn't do it because I know everything they talked about there was bullshit. I've known you for a while. I've known you ever since you came into this palace. You've done a lot of good things, and I've learned some things from you too. I wouldn't be too proud to say that. But at the same time, honestly, I don't know.
My prince, I mean, it's the king's prerogative to reassign me to whatever position he wants me to be in. I mean, it's not a problem. He's the king. I am the servant, and I am willing to adjust if need be.
Yeah, I see. Yes. No. You don't know. This is too bad. Demoting you to a palace slave, that is the point where I am not happy with. And I'm going to talk to my father about it.
No, my prince. No, please, my prince, don't. Honestly, I am happy where I am. I'm happy doing this. Even though I didn't do what I was accused of, but the king's word is final.
I heard this and I came out the way to make sure that what I heard is true. And now that I've seen it, and I've seen you, I am going to talk to my father, and don't try to stop me.
No, my prince. My prince! My prince! Watch out, also. The one I'm doing is okay for you. Kita chokoze I'm workers and job. I manage bankers in middle schools. Don't mind being a slave. Don't mind being whatever.
A palace servant. Well, I think that's quite befitting for a rapist.
That is why I don't want that boy around here. If he could do that in this palace, he would do more. So I want him out of this palace for good.
Well, that's what I want as the king. And you've got to accept it.
Do my opinion ever matter in this palace? Do you ever care about my opinion?
Mom, please, Dad. Please. Let's not start making out something out of nothing. It's healthier not to talk while you eat. Please, let's enjoy our meal.
I knew you were going to say rubbish. I knew you were going to say nonsense. No, pick your spoon. You spat and vomited rubbish from your mouth as usual.
Noye. Please, don't insult me again. Mind the way you talk to me.
If I do, what will you do? I'm asking you, what will you do?
I will not have you insult me again. Not right here, not right now. Be very careful with me.
Shut up. Nonya, will you stop that nonsense? I want you to mind the way you speak to your brother. He's the crown prince.
Father, A crown prince who can think and act properly like a crown prince is not a crown prince. This dude is a freaking dull thinker. That's what you are.
Today is going to be the very last day you would ever open your gutters to talk back at me. I am respecting my father here, otherwise I am going to do something that you and everyone seated here is going to regret.
You see why I say you are a stupid thinker, a dull thinker, a senseless being. That's what you are. Look at you. You stood in front of your parents to hit me. A crown prince, a future king. So father, is this who is going to be the future king of this kingdom? I laugh, baby king.
Naija, enough. Can we all sit, eat peacefully? Can we?
Ifeanyi, calm down.
Sit down. Let's just enjoy.
Sit down.
Naija, what is wrong with you? When have you grown to the point of insulting your own brother in my presence? Have you lost it?
How do you expect them to respect each other when their father doesn't respect their mother?
And I know exactly this is what she will say. Always in support of your son. I think I'm done with this.
You've lost your appetite? That's what you see when a father cannot respect a mother in presence of the children. So how do you want them to respect you? Well, if you all have lost your appetite, I'm not going to lose mine.
Ego, what is it? What is troubling you?
Do I look like I am troubled?
Sorry, just a little question. I saw you now, you look troubled. I said, let me know what is wrong with you now.
Why would you ask me what's wrong with me? Huh? Is that your business? Won't you mind your business? Come. Are you done washing the plates in the kitchen? Am I not talking to somebody? Amara!
These are my clothes, and I want you to wash them thoroughly. Okay? And how dare you stare at me like that? Do you want me to inform the king?
I'll wash them after I'm done with the car.
Good. Listen, I won't tolerate any form of disrespect from you. I am now the chief guard, for your information. The formal administration and this present administration are not the same. In this administration, I will never tolerate any kind of insult or disrespect from anybody. Have I made myself clear? Yes. Good.
Hey, get out. Are you not hearing me? I said, get out.
Are you talking to me?
Yes. And don't make me repeat myself ever again. Leave.
Azubwan, can't you see I'm making meal?
Don't worry. I'll take it over from there.
And I said no. Okay? No!
Amara, this is Ego Ibo, the chief maid. I said I will take over from wherever you stopped. Please leave.
Azubwan.
I said leave this kitchen, my friend. Are you okay?
Mr. Odegema, don't try this next time, oh. Don't try me next time.
I will make sure you leave this palace. Mark my words. You must leave this palace.
You think you can friend me up the way you did to that innocent guard? Not me, Amarachi.
Amarachi, this is Ego Ibo. Go and ask questions. Go and ask Ndudi how miserable his life is as the palace slave. As for you, I will make sure they severely punish you in this palace before throwing your silly ass out.
See this one, no? You think I'm afraid of you? I'm not Pama. Come and take over this cooking now. Let me see you. Ewu can beer. Nonsense. Just try me next time. Ewu. You're lucky that I'm in a better mood. If not, rubbish.
Oh, Stephanie. Yes, how are you? Oh, Stephanie, calm down. Where are you now? No. Wait now. Wait first. Wait. Relax. You can't come to the palace now. Let's meet up at the lounge. Whatever thing you want to tell me, you can tell me there. No, understand me. You cannot. Hello?
My friends.
What is this?
Clothes. Clothes I'm about to wash.
What's clothes? Can you drop them on the floor, please? What is going on? Whose clothes are this?
People in the palace.
People in the palace?
Yes, my friends.
And who gave that order that you should wash the clothes of people in the palace? Are you now the laundryman?
My prince, as the palace slave, it's my responsibility now to take care of all the chores in this palace.
That's not right. That is not right. You shouldn't be doing this. Have you forgotten your position in this palace?
Prince,
you were once the chief guard in this place. Why would you stoop so low to be doing this? For what? And who gave that order?
My prince, I don't mind. Let me just do it. It's not a big issue. If you have other clothes of yours I could wash, I'll go and get them from your room.
You serious? What's that his name?
Zubelu. Come, prince.
Are your clothes in here?
No, my prince.
Who owns these clothes? They listen to me and listen very attentively. This would be the very last time you would do such thing again in this palace. You were once the chief guard in this place, and that position still stands. I don't want you to keep doing this, and it will never repeat itself again. Next time you do it again, I am going to be very, very angry at you, personally.
Sorry,
take back these clothes to whoever owns them and let them wash their clothes by themselves. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, my prince.
Make sure you take my instruction very, very serious. It should not happen again.
Why is my father not dead yet?
My princess, it's not yet my turn to cook.
I gave you 3 days. Until now, the king still breathes.
My princess, it's my turn to cook tomorrow. Please, you need to give me more time. I will get it done.
Echo, you're playing with your life. I don't want this to linger after tomorrow.
Yes, my princess.
Get out.
Imakaru Sierra Nakanambo Jebuya. You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. Akara Sisia Kananua. Baburium. What do you want to achieve with this evil? No one to trust, no one to rely on. Everybody is a suspect. If any man.
What are you still doing in this palace?
Greetings, Ono.
Leave the greetings. What are you still doing here? That is my question.
I work here, Ono.
You work here? I heard what you did. You don't deserve to still be in this palace.
The king was clement enough to pardon me.
I find it difficult to believe.
Oh no. The king trusts you with his life. Why don't you tell him the truth?
Young man, you are playing with fire. Did you hear me? You are playing with fire.
All you told me now is the threat of a man cheating on his wife. Are you sure? Do you really think he's cheating on me? Of course, he's definitely cheating on you. It's quite obvious. Nne, I think you should report him to the king. To the king? But that would be going too extreme. Now. When a man cannot provide for his family, the king should know about his bad character. So the madness will stop at once. Now think about that. Okakwama ka injiri ifechu ewu oji tupu chi eji.
Oh, Your Majesty.
No. Have it. This is the money you asked for your children's school fees and feeding.
All this for me, Your Majesty?
You know, you deserve this and more. There's no way you can have a rich king as a friend and you suffer. But not possible. Just use it to take good care of your family.
Your Majesty, you never stop supporting me financially. And I begin to wonder, what exactly did I do to deserve all this?
You know that we have come a long way, even before I became king. We have been friends. So, you deserve all the support that I can offer.
Well, Your Majesty, thank you. I appreciate.
Thank you, no.
I'll be on my way.
You can go.
You can't keep this baby. You can't.
You want us to get rid of this child.
Stephanie, you need to understand me. If we don't, my chances of becoming the king is lost. You're not going to be the queen. I may not even be the prince anymore. But if we do it well, like we get married the right way, you'll be the queen. Do you understand? Let's understand me now. Understand me.
I'm confused actually. Let me get something straight. You are asking me, you prefer we kill this child? Is that it?
I am not saying we should kill the child, but I want you to understand something. Listen, understand this now. The truth is this. You and I know that this baby conception was a mistake. I love you. It was a mistake. You understand? So we can still work something out.
You love me. You know nothing about love. I hate you so much for deceiving me.
Okay, Stephen, you know our tradition. You know it's a taboo for a prince to have a child out of wedlock. It's a taboo. There's nothing I can do about this. Understand what I'm saying now?
Love. Do you really know anything about love? Asking me to get rid of a child that was conceived.
You're shouting.
That was conceived out of the love that we both shared.
Okay, fine, I love you. I can arrange to marry you. I will do that. But you need to understand. Let us understand each other so that we can help ourselves. We love each other, and that is sacrifice. That's the only sacrifice you can do for me now. When you sacrifice for me, I will sacrifice everything for you. This is the only thing I'm asking for. It was too early. I love children, yes, but this one is too early now. Understand what I'm saying?
No.
Please.
I am not going to understand anything. And I will ruin everything for you and for this child in my womb. I will keep this baby, whether you want it or not.
Only the heavens knows the truth. Only the heavens know the truth. We are only mortals in this world. Many things are hidden from us.
I heard you're now the new slave.
Yes, my princess.
And you chose to wash people's dress first before mine.
Sorry, my princess.
You decided to wash people's dress first before mine.
I said I was going to come up to you.
My princess, my princess.
That was stupid. Don't you dare take it off. Don't you dare. You chose to wash people's dress before mine. Now get to my room. Pack everything there, but the clean ones. Wash them before I return. And don't you dare take that off your face. Get out. Watch me. Don't you dare. Don't touch me.
What is that boy still doing in this palace?
My husband wouldn't let him go.
You know he has our secret. Then do something. Take care of that mess before it gets too late.
I'm already on it. Okay. Why can't we meet in our usual place tonight?
It's all right, my dear. I'll be waiting.
Guards! Is there anybody around? Guards! I want you to kill him.
Who, my queen?
The guard. He has become a problem for me, and I want you to eliminate him today. What do you mean by Is it that you don't want to do it, or what?
No, my queen.
So what is it?
It's just that I now have 2 people to kill in the palace today.
What do you mean by you have 2 people to kill in the palace? Who gave you the orders?
The guard and the king.
How dare you? How dare you talk about killing my husband in my presence?
My queen, that's what your daughter wants me to do, and I'm scared. My queen, please hire somebody from elsewhere to do it, please.
My daughter asked you to kill her father?
With all due respect, my queen, I can't do it. I can't.
You want to disobey my orders? You want to disobey my orders?
No, my queen. Well, remember you promised me something. You know I value and admire Ndudi so much. And you said if I frame him up for rape, that you will support me to marry him. And now, you want me to kill him?
Because there's a change in plan, and I said you must kill him today. I'm not like requesting, I said it must be today.
My queen, I can't do it. I can't. I can't.
You what? If you still value your position in this palace, and you still want to stay here, you must kill him today.
I think the queen is having an affair with Tono. Shut up. Shut up your mouth. Why will you say what you don't even know? Eh? But I saw them in an uncompromising manner. And so, it can be business, but definitely not an affair. That is a bold claim. Don't put yourself into trouble. I know what. What's your problem?
Girl, yes, I'm wrong, but what is it that Onowu is discussing with the queen at the corridor? What is it that they can't discuss in the king's presence?
And what's your business? How is that your business? Lekwemo, don't put yourself into trouble. Don't put yourself into trouble. I know Kwamia.
Father, I didn't hear you were calling me and nobody came to tell me you were looking for me.
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay.
I've been observing you lately, and you don't seem to be yourself. What is it that is bothering you?
Dad, I'm fine. Absolutely fine.
I know it's about your sister. I am not happy with the way two of you are going in this palace. There is a sudden loss of love between the two of you. Each time it is war over nothing.
Dad, you've been there. You've seen how Nonya insults me. She won't even give me the little respect. She insults me at every little time she had. Every little minute she has, she uses that opportunity to insult me. Not meaning that I'm her elder brother and I'm a man. She just talks to me anyhow, the way she wants. The whole thing is frustrating.
Calm down. I will talk to her about it. But I need you to stop responding to everything she says to you. Learn to ignore her. And don't go ahead quarreling with her all the time. It's not good for you.
It's okay, brother. I'll do my best.
That's my son. I'll be having a meeting of the council this evening, and I will want you to be there. I want to discuss about my forthcoming Ofala festival.
Oh, yes, I'll be there. I'll be there, Dad.
It's all right.
You need to listen to me right now. You have to do with you. Please, you need to listen to me.
Say what you want to say and leave.
Dudy, the queen has asked me to poison you and I don't want to do it.
Oh, you have suddenly developed a conscience.
Dudy, I care so much about you. I don't want to hurt you. I know, I actually told her I don't want to do it and she sent me to hurt me.
And how's that my business?
See, listen, Dudy. You need to be very careful right now. You have to be extremely careful in the palace. I know she's going to go through the other maidens to hurt you. So, I want you to stop eating anything from this palace henceforth. Please.
Ego, I do not need your love and care. You already killed me the day you framed me for what I did not do. Leave me alone.
Listen. See. I want us to leave tonight, you and I. I want us to go far away. I don't want anything to happen to you. I don't want to harm you. Please. Your life is very important to me. We must leave.
The only thing you can do for yourself and not me is go to the king and tell him the truth. As for me, don't worry. I'll be fine. My God will take care of me. Leave me alone.
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. Don't want to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. What do you want to achieve with this evil character? No one to rely on. Everybody is a suspect. If any man if any man Imakaru Sierra Nakana Bokeje Buya.
What is it that I'm perceiving?
Father, what is wrong with you? You should have barged into my room like that. What if I was naked?
I'm sorry, but that doesn't answer my question. I am perceiving something of the ferocious here. I hope it's not in this room.
I don't know.
No, you still smoke, isn't it?
Father, I do not know what you're talking about.
No, do you normally look yourself in the mirror when you wake up? What do you see? A princess? Or an irresponsible lass?
Father, what is this now? What is this? Have you come to disturb my peace or what?
Will you shut up? Well, I've come here to pass a warning to you. I don't want to hear you speak to your brother the prince in a disrespectful manner. Either in my presence or anywhere. If you don't want to acknowledge him as the crown prince of this land, then let it be known to you that you cannot come to me for any favor and I grant it.
Father, I am used to that. I am used to it. Have I ever asked you for anything and you do it? The answer is no. It's always been about your favorite son, Ifeanyi. I don't matter to you.
How will you matter when you have turned yourself into a junkie and the black sheep of the family? Look, you have chosen this path for yourself. You have chosen to bring disgrace and dishonor to us, isn't it?
Honestly, Lucy, I feel so terrible. Telling you this because you're my friend, I feel so terrible. My father has placed so much faith in me about this whole thing, and I feel like I've really let him down. I don't even know how to think about this whole thing again. I feel my father is not going to forgive me if I destroy my chances of becoming the king by my own hands. I'm confused, brother.
What is even wrong with Stephanie? She should go ahead and get rid of the pregnancy.
I've begged and begged and begged and begged. She refused. She said to me, she called me and she said, Ifeanyi, I am keeping this baby whether you like it or not. That is the point where I'm confused. I don't even know what else to do.
But she knows the tradition. She knows you will lose the throne if she insists. She knows your family will lose the throne. What is wrong with her? Eh?
I've been trying so hard to make her reason with me. I've been trying so hard to tell her this thing now you're saying so that she can reason with me. She doesn't even want to hear from me. She has been abusing me. She has been calling me names. She said I'm a monster. I want to destroy her life. I want to do this well. I want to do this well. And each time she says those things, I see myself as being those things she's calling me. Honestly, I'm confused now.
My parents, you need to calm down, okay? You need to take things step by step. You need to take things easy. Alright? So what I think you should, talk to somebody very close to her, somebody she listens to, all those things.
She's no longer taking my calls. I've been trying so hard to communicate to her. She doesn't even want to hear my voice. She doesn't want to do anything with me.
This is very serious. This is serious.
I don't know, she's just adamant. Honestly. My problem now is this. I don't know how to tell my father about this. That is
No. My prince, don't try it too. Do not tell your father about this thing. If your father gets to know about this, you know what it means. Your chances of getting to that throne will be 0.
Are you sure you can achieve it? You can make it happen?
Yes, my queen.
You must make sure he eats the food. Okay?
I will, my queen.
If you are able to achieve that, I will make you the chief maid in this palace. Do you hear me?
Really?
Yes.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you.
And it must happen tonight.
I'll get it done, my queen.
No mistakes.
Get my queen.
Green.
Take this one. I'll get it.
Thank you very much.
Diligently, I have no bad intention. This is a setup, just a family.
Go away, I don't want it. Go and drop it.
Are you sure you don't want it?
I said go away.
I heard that Nkubi, the great masquerade of justice, returned to this palace for the second time, which means that the truth is still unearthed.
What is this truth that has been concealed in this palace? My king, you need to search yourself and every other member of this palace to be sure.
Biko, why not tell us this truth that has been bringing the dreadful masquerade like Nkubi to this palace? It is becoming quite embarrassing.
Exactly. People are beginning to ask too many questions about what is going on in this palace. What is that secret that the gods want only Nkubi to reveal?
Well, my people, I have searched myself inside out, and I find nothing. I've also questioned all the members of my family, and all of them denied that there's nothing. So let the gods do their work.
Like I said, for Nkubi to return the second time in this palace shows it's a top secret and is still unearthed. I was told the guard was discovered a rapist, but you all can see that was not Nkubi's reason of returning the second time. I repeat, if the truth is not revealed soonest, the gods will reveal it themselves soonest.
Better let the truth be revealed. Let the truth be revealed.
How dare you? How dare you agree to poison my man?
So suddenly he has now become your man, but you're fending off for rape. Oh, you think we don't know?
Listen, Amara, I have warned you. Stay away from Ndodi. Let it be the first and the last time you ever agree to make an attempt on his life. Did I make myself clear?
Anyways, the queen promised to make me the chief maid and have you sacked.
No. No way. She can't do that. She dare not do such a thing. I am the chief maid of this palace, and so shall it remain.
You're the chief maid. Then you betrayed the man you claim you love. When he got to it, taking his life, you bolted away.
Yes.
Because I'm not a murderer.
Oh!
Unlike you, you're not a murderer. But you agreed to poison the king. Oh, please, please. You think I don't have eyes and ears on the ground? Nah, I can't wait for you to leave this palace while I become the chief maid. Nonsense.
Let them arrange for 50 bags of cement. 50. Are you deaf? 50. That would be okay. It's all right.
Can I ask you a question?
I'm afraid this is not the right time.
When is the right time? You know, there's never a good time when it comes to you. Are you cheating on me?
And what is that supposed to mean?
It's just a simple question. Are you having an affair behind me?
Are you insane? Is something wrong with your brain? Is your nakokage? How dare you ask me such a stupid question?
You know, it won't hurt so much if you can just be honest with me.
Now get out of here. Out!
You know, for a titled man like you in this community, it is a taboo to commit adultery.
Enough. A taboo to commit what? To commit what? You have the temerity, the courage to accuse me falsely. You see why I hate you and why I will continue to hate you. I will never have a moment of peace with you around me. Now get out of here. I said get out of here. Get a piece of the Look at a very beautiful house that Mologe Gabano Dinela in Oleba and Egoni.
When you reach no ya Oma with his egoni.
I'm not here with the way they sing. You're not going to follow them now. Yamaya can be
Why have the gods chosen to shame me and my household? We are now the talk of the town as a family with secrets. What is it that I don't know about?
Maybe you should be the one to tell me.
I should tell you. Kim, I am not keeping any secret.
I don't either.
Then who is it that has secret in this palace? who is attracting this embarrassment to me.
Son, where are you going?
Mother, I'm short of words. Yeah, I need to get some fresh air. Excuse me. Excuse me. Father, excuse me.
This boy has been troubled for days now. We should find out what is wrong with him. I've tried to ask him, but each time he denies. But I don't believe him. Please, find out.
Don't worry. I will find out and let you know.
Why is my father still alive? I thought we had an agreement.
Something happened while you were away, my princess.
What happened?
Nkubi the masquerade was here.
What?
Yes, so my princess, when I saw the masquerade, I was so scared. Everybody was just running around in the palace. I think something is wrong. But my princess, I'm not sure I can still do what you asked me to do. Besides, the queen cautioned against it.
You dared told my mother? How could you?
Ndode.
My prince.
That's enough.
Let me finish up my prince. Stop.
Please, that's enough. Come and sit with me.
My prince, that's not appropriate. I will respectfully decline.
Ndode, I insist. Sit with me.
Thank you, my prince.
Could I have a glass, please?
Okay.
Drink with me.
My prince, this is not right.
Drink with me. Have a drink.
Thank you, my prince.
Let's toast. You know, I've always been happy for you. You have been a wonderful personality ever since you came to this palace.
Thank you, my prince.
But since you were demoted, I've promised you that I was going to talk to my father so you can be restored to your position as the palace guard.
Yes, and I appreciate my prince. Thank you very much. Thank you, my prince. My prince, can I be bold to say something to you?
Go ahead.
You don't look okay. You look sad. Is something the matter?
Today, you have done something terrible that I don't even know how to talk to my father about it because it's going to break his heart.
My prince, what have you done? What is it?
I got a woman pregnant.
What?
Yeah, yes, I know. It's against our tradition, I know. So what do I do?
What What are you going to do about it?
Nothing. Nothing, and I can't even tell my father about it because it's going to break his heart so well. How do I sit him down, start telling him such a very, very bad story?
But, my prince, you have to tell him. Except the girl in question wants to get rid of the pregnancy.
That's the point where I'm confused. I've tried to talk to her about it. She wouldn't budge. She wouldn't want to listen to me. That's where I am going crazy.
Don't be, my prince. Okay? The truth is the only way out of this. You have to tell your father the truth if you hope to be a fine king tomorrow.
No, that's not an option. Telling my father about this is going to break his heart. Yes, I know I'm going to lose my princeship. But my father is going to be so heartbroken. I don't even know how to open my mouth to tell him this bad news. Confused right now.
Whichever way, he's going to find out. Now I understand why Nkubi has been coming here. My prince, you have to tell your father. Would you rather you told him yourself or you want him to hear it from the gods? Because he will know eventually.
Listen, you have to demand a huge amount of money from him and forget about his axe.
So you're asking me to collect money from a fine?
Yes, of course. He's a prince and he's very rich. Come on.
Let me get something straight, Ada. So it's all about the money for you, is it?
Girlfriend, you and I know that he's not going to marry if his people learn you are pregnant for him. In fact, he will be ceased to be a prince. I suggest take the money and go your way.
I love him, Ada. I love him, and that's one thing you cannot understand. Because you know nothing about love.
Oh, really? Lover girl indeed. Look, make sure you collect the money to avoid you regretting it later. At least hold one. Ha! I've told you. Collect that money. Hey!
Is it when this man, what he has turned your life into? Huh? See, I'm going straight to report to the king.
No. Please don't. Please don't go. I beg you,
Why?
don't.
Is it when he stabs you to death? I asked you to go and report to the king. But you have been adamant about it. Enye dear, you need to let the king know the kind of man this your husband is. That he is a monster.
I will. Believe you me, I will, but not now.
Enye dear, your children need you. They are going to suffer when you are no longer there. That so-called, that your husband will definitely marry another woman even before your burial. So you need to do something fast. You need to act fast. Tell the king. Let him know what he does to you at home. Eh? When are you going to tell him? You have been going through all these things for years.
Why are you staring at me like that? Amarachi. So you can kill. What do you mean by that? Oh, don't pretend. I heard everything. I heard your conversation with Ego Ibo. So you agreed to poison an innocent man? All because of what? Just to be a chief maid. So you're willing to kill all because of title?
I'm only doing the queen's request.
We can tell that lie to someone else, but definitely not me. You can't lie to me, Amara. Why? Amara, you're from a good home. So why bring shame to your family?
What I want to bring to them is the honor of being a chief maid.
So you have to soil your hands with blood just to achieve that? Hey, Amara. Amara, that innocent young man is someone's brother.
Well, he has no family.
He can be someone's future husband. I know that.
Then are you interested in him?
Amara, you know what you're about to do is evil. And I hope you're ready to live with it when the deed is finally done.
Nobody is a slave. Nobody is a governor. We are all equal. Subanike. Nobody is a slave. Nobody is a slave. Nobody is a governor. We are
Mom, I have an appointment.
Sit down.
What?
I said sit! What is bothering you?
Nothing, Mom.
Your father is asking questions, so it's obvious that everyone knows that something is bothering you. So you better tell your mother. What is going on?
Mom, I said I am fine. Nothing.
Okay, nothing. Okay, then I will go and tell your father that...
Mom, I got a girl pregnant.
You did what? You got to get what? You know what that means, right?
Yes, I know.
Has she gotten rid of it?
Not yet, Mom.
Do you know that you could lose the throne if that news come out? Okay. Who is the girl?
Mom, you don't need to know.
God damn it! Tell me who the girl is! I demand to know her now! Who is this girl?
It's obvious he's referring to us.
No, that's not true.
We need to stop this relationship. I mean, we need to leave this kingdom.
How can you ask me to leave this kingdom? I'm the queen. Can I leave my kingdom?
If the king finds out what we have done, he will have our heads without minding your position. Let's stop whatever we are doing forthwith.
At this point, I don't care who finds out what. Let's own up to this and stand for this relationship.
I don't want to die yet. I think the best thing to do is to kill the king and the boy that saw what we did.
Killing the king is not my problem. It's something I can handle by myself. But before I kill him, I want to have a copy of his will to make sure that the children are involved in that will.
But there's no way he will write a will without including you and the children.
There are so many ways he will do that. The king doesn't like my daughter.
What?
I am not sure that he will leave anything for her. And if she's not included in this will, there will be trouble. Big trouble. So I want to make sure that everything is intact before killing him. I'll do that myself. As of the boy, that one is a forgotten issue. But come on, sweetheart. Don't be worried about this. This is something I have under control. I can handle it. Trust me.
Well,
okay?
If you say so.
Don't be scared. Be a man.
I'm a man already.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Welcome. Come inside. How are you?
I'm fine, Your Majesty.
How are your children?
They are fine, Your Majesty.
Wait, let me get something clear here. Are you saying that your husband, who happened to be my Ono, has not been providing for you and your children?
Yes, my king. I have been the one taking care of the children for years. Each time I ask him for money, it's always from one excuse to the other. My king, I have been suffering all these years.
Why have you not told me this all this while?
I was really hoping that he would change, but I was wrong, my king. Not only that, Your Majesty, I also suspect that he's having an affair.
Then keep that one aside, because we are not so certain.
Then tell me, my king, who else is he spending his money on if he's not cheating on me? I have done my duties as a wife all these years, but he never appreciates me.
But does he beat you?
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. What do you want to achieve with this evil? No one to trust, no one to rely on. Everybody is a suspect. If any man if any man you are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance.
Ndodi!
My princess!
How dare you? Why is my car unwashed?
I was going to wash it.
You have the guts to leave my car unwashed. You were doing what?
Sorry, I was just taking a little break after washing the other cars and the gate and other things.
You must be very stupid. You must be very stupid.
I'm sorry, my princess. I'll wash it now.
Okay?
I'm sorry, my...
For this nonsense you did, you must receive a punishment.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Get me an iron. And be fast about it.
My princess, I can wash it now. I'm sorry.
Shut up! Next time, you will know that I come first in this house. And you will not leave whatever that is mine for last.
I'm sorry, my princess. I can wash it now.
Hurry up!
My princess, I'm sorry. My princess, I can wash it now.
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. What do you want to achieve with this evil? No one to trust, no one to rely on. Everybody is a suspect. If any man if any man Imakaru Sierra Nakana Boke Jebuya. You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. The balance is in a mess. Nobody is safe. Everywhere is on fire. Danger. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. If any man if any man the wicked neither sleeps nor slumber. They're always busy plotting evil.